Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to add the time to your status on Messenger. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Begin by opening Messenger on your device to access your conversations and stories. 2. Tap the Stories tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen to enter the story creation section. 3. Select Add to Story to start composing your status update, which will display the editing tools for your story. 4. Tap on the text icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen to introduce text elements into your story. 5. Next, tap the sticker icon on the right side to explore various stickers and icons for your status. 6. Locate and tap the time icon to insert the current time into your status, providing a real-time reference for your update. 7. Once you've added the time and are content with your status, tap Share Now at the bottom right to post it to your Messenger story. By following these steps, you can effortlessly include the time in your Messenger status, keeping your audience informed about the latest updates with a timestamp. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on adding the time to your Messenger status. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.